Yeah, what up? It's the Kid Cool G. It's been a long time coming. You guys haven't seen us here live at Club Atrium. It didn't mean we stopped. It meant that my man Nolu was on a quick tour overseas, but he's back now, safe and sound. So we must continue with the show. So don't forget, the place to be is here every Sunday at Club Atrium. And right now, I want to let the world know that I just signed to Zopapi ENT, and the CEOs are right here with me. We drinking, we're sipping on some Goose, and shouts out to my man Goose on stage right now doing his thing with Sinclair and DJ 5 Étoiles. You know how we do, but tonight we have a special band, a young band performing, goes by the name of Ecstasy, and I want everybody to stay tuned because later on you'll get a chance to hear them. And to all the beautiful women and all the jeunes, big up, stay safe. And you know today, this Sunday, happened to be Haiti, second round presidential election. I would say selection, but you guys get it. Stay put, stay tuned. The Kid Coochie will be back with more, because later on we have something special we're going to do on stage. So please stay put and stay tuned. Beautiful people in here tonight. It's the Kid Cool G. I'm out of here. Peace.